Pets animal. To clean pets animal after coloring, you will first rinse them thoroughly with clean water to remove any extra. Gun. River horse. Mountain sheep. Tiger. Buffalo. Cow. Zarafa. Zebra. Elephant. Ostrich. Hippo. Lion. Horse. To clean pets animal, color in the water. Clean water. Wow. Horse. Horse is a strong and fast animal known for its grace used for riding and work. It enjoys socializing in herd and birds. Strong bonds with humans. Hippo. Wow. To clean water, remove in color. Color. Lion. Lion is known as the king of the jungle. It is a powerful predator that live in group called predator. Lion. Gun. Gun are designed to shoot bulls at high speed. They are used for protection, hunting, and in law enforcement. Scotty gun can also be dangerous if missed. Ostrich. Ostrich is the world's largest bird and cannot fly. It has long legs for running at high speed.
Reaching speeds of 70 kilometers per hour, they sprint together as a convoy.
At high speed, native to Africa, rhinoceros is a large and powerful animal with thick blue skin. It primarily lives in forest and grassland in Africa and Asia. Cow. Cow is a domesticated animal known for its providing milk, meat, and leather. Cows are social animals that often live in herd. Tiger. A jungle fierce animal. The tiger is powerful, fast, and silent. When hunting, tigers are at the top of food chain. Fox. Fox is a clever and ugly animal known for its busy tail and sharp sense.
Clearly curious, the fox even approached.
It is a skilled hunter, often hunting small mammals and birds. Elephant. Elephant is a massive and gentle animal known for its strength and intelligence. It peacefully roams in the jungle. Using its trunk to gather food and water. Buffalo. Buffalo is a large strided animal known for its strength and reliance, often found in herd. Buffaloes are primarily grazers, feeding on grass and vegetation. River horse. River horse or hippopotamus is a large and powerful animal. It spends most of its time in the water to keep cool and is known for its tiger. Fairest animal in the jungle it is tiger. It's strong, fast and skilled hunter, making it the top food chain in its environment. Zebra is a fast and swift animal. It lives in herd and uses its speed to escape predators. Its black and white strip help in blend into the grassland. Zarafa is the tallest animal in the world. It uses its long neck to eat leaves for tall tree. Despite its size, its move graceful and its mountain sheep, also known as bighorn sheep, is the two and ugly animal. It lives in steppe. Rocky area using its strong legs. And thank you. Bye bye.